In front of me is Nokia 8210 4C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing menu and finding clock. Then launch it. Click on the middle button to add a new alarm and customize it however you want to. First of all, set up an hour. Then click repeat and pick days of the week. Go back. Label your alarm however you want to. Scroll down and click on alarm tone to pick a perfect song for your alarm from music, alarm or ringtones. When you're ready, select snooze time. And then to save your alarm, go back to set time at the top and click middle button. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can click on it to switch it off or on. To make some changes, click on the left button, select edit, change whatever you want to, and hit save. To get rid of it, click on left button again, click on delete, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!